How to fix Snapchat camera quality iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your Snapchat application directly, and it will lead you here to your camera section, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is you on the upper left you will see your profile icon there. Just tap on that and tap on this the gear icon on the upper right. And then the next thing that you want to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see clear data here. Under it's actually under the privacy controls section. It's the very first option. Tap on clear data there and scroll all the way down up until you see clear cache there. So tap on clear cache and just confirm to clear cache and wait for the Snapchat to clear cache and tap on OK. So now if it still doesn't work, maybe your Snapchat actually has this bug since you haven't actually updated your application. And to do that, you can go to your App Store or your Play Store and then tap on Snapchat there. And you have to make sure that you have updated your Snapchat application. It's because it's a newer version and there are features that you can only access once you've updated your data. So that may be one of the reasons why your Snapchat camera quality is poor. Now, the next thing, if it still doesn't work, you can go here again to your profile, to your Snapchat application, and tap on your profile and go to settings and scroll all the way down up until you see feedback here and tap on I have spotted a bug, and then regarding to your camera, and then just choose your topic here and basically submit a report to Snapchat community, and basically within 42 hours they will actually fix your problem. And basically that is how you fix Snapchat camera quality in iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.